guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 4 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3163, String Compression 3. So this problem is actually very easy. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. Given a string word, we have to compress it using the following algorithm. Begin with an empty string comp. While word is not empty, use the following operation. Remove a maximum length prefix of word made of a single character C, repeating at most 9 times. At most 9 times. Append the length of the prefix followed by C to comp, length, and then the character. Okay. So we have to return the string comp. Fine. Okay. So see this word. So A is 1 time. So I am writing 1A. B is 1 time. I am writing 1B. C is 1 time. I am writing 1C. D is 1 time. I am writing 1D. E is 1 time. I'm writing 1E. That's it. This is my output. Okay. Now see this example number 2. Okay. So here, let me just zoom it. Okay. So now see here. This A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So first we have to write it 9 times. 9 is the max. Okay. 9A. Okay. Here see. Remove a maximum length prefix of word made of a single character C, repeating at most 9 times. Okay. So 9 times we have to write. So 3 and 3 here, 9. Okay, then what is the remaining part? This is the remaining part. Okay, so how many times remaining? 5A. So here I'm writing 5A, then 2B. Okay, so this is going to be my output. Okay, this is how we have to return the output. Okay, so max 9 times, and then we have to add the remaining A's 5 times, and then B. Okay, so this is my output. Okay, so here same thing. Initially let's take one empty string comp. Okay, and then let's add that one by one. Okay, so let's write the code. So code is also going to be very simple. So take one string builder and let's name it as comp. Let me just zoom it. Okay, new string builder. Okay, and after that let's calculate the length of my words array. Int n is equal to word dot length. Okay, and here after that just run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and inside this first character char curr is equal to first character I'm going to take. So word dot, here you can write char at this particular index I. Okay, so let's increment the count. Okay, I'm taking this character one time, so here let's take the count as 1. Int count is equal to 1, because I'm going to count the current character as well. Okay, so I have counted that current character. Okay, so now after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to run one while loop. Okay, and in this while loop I'm going to run while my I is less than n. Okay, and minus 1. This is what I need to check here. I is equal less than n minus 1, and here I will check if my next character. Okay, word dot char at I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1. That is why I'm checking n minus 1 here, because here I'm doing I plus 1, right? So word dot char at I plus 1, if it is equal to cur and this condition, and my count should always be equal to 9. Okay, or less than 9. Okay, this is the case, but here I'm writing count is less than 9. Reason is because inside this I'm going to increment the count. Okay, count plus plus, so I don't want my count to be 10. Okay, so if I give here count is less than equal to 9, then my count will be incremented to 10 here, but I don't want. So that is why I'm writing count is less than 9, so that if I increment the count then it will become 9 max. Okay, so here count plus plus and here I plus plus. Okay, this is the one thing that we have to do, and once this is done, then we have to add the comp. Okay, once we count the number of that particular character, how many times, we have to append that in my comp. So first I'm going to append the count, and once I add this count, after that I have to append what, the current character. Okay, this is what I have to do, right? And in the end we have to just return comp dot to string. That's it. Okay, so now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, and the time complexity for this one is going to be of n, since I am iterating over all the characters in my string one by one, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.